If you're a tech enthusiast, get ready to be amazed by the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This phone is made from liquid titanium, making it lighter and stronger than ever. And let's talk about that 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR display. Brighter, crisper, and almost bezel-free. Apple's introduced new stunning finishes like midnight green and satin graphite. Now the camera, a quad-lens system, 48MP main, 16MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto, and a 64MP periscope zoom lens. Get up to 100x digital zoom with optical clarity. Night mode, even better with new Photon FX technology and 8K video recording at 60 fps. Under the hood, the A18 Bionic chip makes everything faster. Gaming, editing, 4K videos, multitasking, it handles it all. The 16-core neural engine boosts AI performance, and there's a 2TB storage option. Battery life, 40 hours on a single charge with SuperMag charging 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. iOS 18 brings live view for real-time AR navigation, smart widgets, and gesture control for no-touch commands. Wave your hand to change the song or answer a call. It's like sci-fi come to life, so what do you guys think? Is the iPhone 16 Pro Max a game changer or what? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for more tech content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.